Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to come on to show you guys Merit Beauty. Once again, Merit Beauty sent me some products and wanted to collab with me, and so I'm so excited because this time I finally got another of their complexion sticks, which is amazing, but I got the one in my color. I'm so excited. Now that this complexion stick is the same color as my skin or closer to the color of my skin, it just works so much better and it just applies on flawlessly. So this is what their complexion stick looks like. And I got a brand new one from Merit. I'm so excited. My mom has been using Merit and she actually got the lighter one that I got last time from Merit, and she's been using it since, and she's gotten a new complexion stick ever since. So she's really loving it. It's just one of those complexion sticks that goes on smoothly. It doesn't feel heavy on your face, and it just gives you that glow and kind of, you know, youthful glow from within. I feel like this is perfect for mature skin, but also for those teenagers like new to makeup or those minimal makeup looks. It's a perfect foundation for you. So Camel looks like this, and once you blend it in, and let me get my very trusty Merit foundation brush, which I like. So look at that. It just blends in nicely, and you can kind of see there's a little sheen to the skin, and it just blurred my skin instantly, if you can see that. So very nice. You know what? I want to go right here, right below. I already have my makeup on, but I want to kind of brighten this area here underneath and just kind of, you know, perfect that contour blush situation. I'm doing this all on my camera. I can't see myself on the mirror. So I hope it's looking good. So did I tell you guys the color? This is in the color Camel. So it's perfect. If you have very similar skin tone as mine, this is for you. Let's do some Merit mascara as well. This is one of their award-winning mascaras. I think this is a tubing formula. It doesn't, like, you know, bleed into your eyes when it gets wet, so it's amazing formula. I do feel like I wish it could be a little bit more lengthening and volumizing, but I love like the security that it gives me, you know, when you're at events, and you know that this isn't gonna fall apart on you. The Merit Signature lipstick. I've gotten several lipsticks from them already. I'll link all the other videos that I have in the description box below from Merit, in case you want to compare, you know, lipstick shades. But I got another one. I couldn't resist. I got this one. Is a deeper shade, guys. It looks like this. I've used it already. This is in the color Tiger. It has a very strong brown undertone, but once you blend it into your lips, it looks very nice and natural. When you first open the bullet, you're like, oh my gosh, this looks very vampy, but it's not. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. It builds very naturally, and I love this kind of pointy tip. I use it to kind of outline the lining of my lips, and it just kind of perfects the lining on my lips better. So I really love that. This is in the color Tiger. What else do I have here? Like, I have a bag of these, guys. If you order from Merit, on your first order you get a free bag, their signature bag. So it has like that Merit logo right there. It's just very cute. It has like a corduroy material. Oh, I have another one here. This is the aperitif. This was my Lafete collab with them last Christmas. So this is aperitif. Very nice, but this is a limited edition lipstick. What else do I have? Ooh, the blush. Okay, I love the blush. Once I put on a blush like this, I love to tap this just at the very top, just kind of swipe it on to kind of give me that extra glow, if you know what I mean. So just kind of adding that pop. And then this is my most favorite item from Merit. If you are looking to try Merit Beauty, I would suggest you get their highlighter. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful highlighter, guys. And this is what it looks like. You twist it up like so. I'm not really sure how big this bullet is, but guys, this will last you a lifetime. So I like to put one in the corner of my nose. Oh my God, did you guys see that shine? On the bridge of my nose, on the top of my cheekbones. Maybe right here. So when you turn your face around, you can kind of see that glow, as my friend Vanessa would say. So that is it. That is everything from Merit. Everything that I've gotten is 100% gifted to me. If you love that minimalist look, and there are certainly days that I love that, especially like when I'm going to the gym. I don't have a gym membership, but like if I were to have, if I were to go to the gym, go to the store, like run some errands, I feel like this Merit Beauty is such a nice natural look, but it's also a nice everyday look for work and for whatever busy schedule you have. So it's amazing. As I've used Merit, I feel like if you have very oily skin, not sure that this might work for you, although it doesn't really come off as oily or dewy in my opinion. Just a perfect in between. It just gives you a more perfected look, like kind of your skin but better. So that's what I love about this complexion stick. The highlighter though, whatever skin type you have, get it. It's just that good. And they have several shades of their blush. So cute. Did I show you guys the color for the blush? It's that one right there. And the color that I have is Beverly Hills. I kind of wish that I got another color of their blush too, just so that I know there's deeper shades that could really, you know, pop on my cheekbones, especially for my skin tone. So, but anyways, I want to say thank you again for Merit for sending me these products. Everything is 100% gifted. Just so you remember, guys, I have a link down in the description box below. You get free shipping on your first $40 order. You also get this bag for free on your first order. Don't forget to check the description box and hit that link if you are interested in buying Merit products. So that is everything, guys. I hope you like this look. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.